Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
I'm Carlos Santiago.
We are Vocal Collective. Carlos, you've been drinking coffee. Where's the spot? Where's the pizzazz?
I have, but those meds that were missing in the last episode.
They've kicked in.
They're chill pills.
Now y'all know how we like Carlos around here.
Just chill. I'm just a chill guy.
Quiet,
Relax.
kind of off in the corner. We don't really want to know he's here or not.
Usually, Jason just tells me, he's like, hey, you're kind of on camera. Keep going. And then I'll just go like, how's that? And he's like, yep, almost there. How's that? He's like, almost there.
Almost.
Oh,
there we go. Perfect shot.
I don't really think that people can see me.
Hold it. Pause. Stand. Stay. Perfect. Brilliant. Guys, welcome to today's reaction. This is going to be a fantastic
I don't think they can see me.
Psst. Mute his mic, people. This is going to be a fantastic moment with Martinis and music. Ooh, that should be my new show, Martinis and Music. Well, I've never thought about that. Would you all listen to Martinis and Music? It's going to be light jazz, not that crap that Carlos is making right now.
Anyway.
We tried to fume him out. I think that'd be fun. Martinis and Music. That's a new show I can do. Like, I need another new show.
Yeah, God.
Look, I keep dreaming up new shows, you guys, all the time.
You're syndicating yourself.
Far and wide.
Talented.
Far and wide. You know what my grandma used to say?
Used to say what?
To me.
What did she used to say?
So, you guys, in America, especially predominantly in the Southeast, there's a chain of restaurants called Waffle House. Now, if y'all never been to a Waffle House, it was a rite of passage. And yeah, they call it the awful waffle, but it's actually really good.
Yeah.
Typically, you go there late at night or really early in the morning, which is kind of the same. They overlap.
Yeah.
So you've been out partying, whatever. Or as musicians, you're on tour, there'll be late night stops at the Waffle House because they're open 24/7. That's kind of one of the things. But it's like breakfast food, waffles, eggs, omelets, that kind of stuff. Cigarettes. They always have a jukebox that you can put money in, play a song. Anyway, my grandma used to say, now, you know, there ain't nothing good open after midnight, because it was curfew, right? There ain't nothing good open after midnight except Waffle House and legs. Now you be home. And you know what, Grandma? That's pretty true.
Yeah, Grandma's
that's
right.
Pretty true.
Nothing good happens.
Wow. Well, speaking of opening your legs, let's hit that subscribe button right now.
I don't think they use their legs for that.
Just hit it right there. Follow along with us. Listen to that podcast. Give us your comments, suggestions. Show us the love. Show us the hate. Show us all the things.
Yeah.
Because we love doing this. And we got a good one today. What is it, Carlos?
Yeah. It's one of our favorites. It's Ed Sheeran and performing with one of y'all's favorites, Arijit Singh. Great Indian performer. We've reacted to some of his stuff before and doing a little backstage rehearsal with, I believe, one of Ed's songs. So
I'm really excited about this.
Yeah,
let's try. Here we go. Hey, boom. This should be really cool.
For me,
come on.
Darling, just dive right in.
That's so good.
Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
Dude, that is so
I
good.
never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Maybe I'm dancing in the dark.
Dude, that's just so
You between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When we said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath that you heard. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Dang. It's a nice backstage.
Well, I found a woman
there he is.
stronger than anyone I know.
Oh, come on, Ed.
She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. than just my secrets. To carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids and we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. And you saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful. I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing. Right, yeah. I'm gonna love you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect, though I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. That'd be great. Cool. Really great.
What?
Did you know that?
Oh, you know what's crazy?
What?
And I don't think that you maybe, I might be wrong, but I don't think I am. Not only were they collaborating in that song, but I think they were playing each other's guitars. Because Ed has that signature Martin that's like the smaller little stagecoach thing that he plays at all his live shows. And so he was playing that. And then I saw the writing on the other guitar and it looked, I could be wrong, but it looked like it was like maybe like Arijit's like handwriting or someone's, you know. So I could be wrong, but
That's a cool observation, though. It's spoken from a true guitarist. I was not even.
that was so cool.
Guitarist once or twice. That was so cool.
That's so cool.
I mean, again, to be able to write songs like that, to have those vocal tones they both have, to be able to just lay out a pop vocal that clean and smooth and effortlessly.
Yeah.
God, I'm envious of that.
Yeah, same.
Like, that's not my wheelhouse, to be just so like straight out forward pop in the pocket.
Unbelievable.
That is brilliantly a true pro who will obviously go down as one of the greats of all time.
Yeah.
And to see that collab together, can you imagine just hanging out backstage like that with the two of them? It's like
being that guy whose head popped into the frame, because you think that it's like some dude, and then all of a sudden you just see this dude's head when the door opens, and he's like, "Who's walking in here right now?" And I would have felt the same way.
Yeah.
But they just didn't care. They just kept playing the song because they're performers, they're showmen, and how cool is that?
That was so cool. Thanks for that suggestion. Love that. More of that. Hey, there's going to be more of us too, so stick around for every Monday when we drop a new episode of a reaction, every Friday a new podcast, and more to come this year from all other things here at the Vocal Lab Collective. Until next time, I am Jason Catrone.
I'm Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.